All right, good morning, you guys. It is February 26th. It is Wednesday. We took a winning trade today. We made $475. We took two more, but I didn't really mark them out. One was a little winner. I entered them with one contract. One was a little winner, one was a loss. They just bounced each other out. This was our main trade today, pre-market. Obviously, we were all expecting a sell-off, so I sold. If we come over here, I based this trade off looking ES as well. But ES filled this 5-minute gap and hit equilibrium. It did not hit equilibrium here, but we did fill a 5-minute gap in, so I did get a pretty late entry. But yep, we entered shorts and we were in a bit of a drawdown. I want to say my stop, like, we almost got stopped out. It was right here. We were about an even 2 based off our entry. It was an even 2 to 1. But yeah, no, we were in a bit of a drawdown, almost got stopped out, and then it basically just instantly filled us and took profit right away. And then I was looking for longs, but I ended up getting off the chart. I wanted to see how they'd play, but I'm sorry, this was the wrong range. I was looking at longs right here. It came and smacked EQ, but we didn't have any. I really only like to enter now when we have a fair value gap with EQ. Makes it a very strong setup. But as you can see, we didn't really have anything with that, so is what it is. We are up $500. I definitely overtraded today. I should have just took my one win and got off, but I'm trying to be on the market a little more right now. Just not necessarily taking trades, but reading how price is moving and everything like that. Get more and more experience, because typically I'm only on the market for an hour a day, hour and a half max. So I'm trying to just watch it more and see how it's moving, reacting to different sides of liquidity. Like, we just swept these highs, so maybe we're gonna go short. If not, we do have a bunch of buy side liquidity up here, so we might continue up. But I'm just trying to see what we have to do. I mean, how market's reacting to everything, trying to get a little better understanding. But yeah, great day. I forgot where we're at. We were down 200 yesterday, and then Monday was a winning day. I think we're up 500 now this week, so good week so far. These next couple days. Oops. These next couple days should be also pretty smooth. We'll see how this affects the market. But yeah, no, should be a clean week. Hopefully we'll end it out with a bang bang, and we'll get this eval pass sooner than later. But current balance is almost set. We're up almost $700. A lot of people have been I've just been seeing a lot of different advice, like you should risk a little more on evals, but I'm just I don't know what I want to do. I don't know if I want to continue risking the same amount that I'm doing now and taking it the slow route, so that when I get funded, it's going to be the same routine. But I don't know. We'll just keep doing. I think I'm just going to stick to 5 MNQ, and I'm still trying to figure out my sizing on ES. So, yeah, no. Have a great day, you guys. I will see you tomorrow.